Yes, good afternoon, good evening. And good evening, saan man sulok tayo ng daigdig, ano. Meron lang akong gustong iparating sa aking mga kabagang, mga barkada, mga kaibigan, Filipino Guerrilla supporters and followers, subscriber. Nanawagan sa akin ang United Initiative, United People's Initiative, UPI, na kung saan ay babasahin ko sa harap ninyo ang kanilang panawagan. Kaya sabi ko ang kanilang panawagan, kasali ako dito, but kinakailangan na manggagaling sa kanila. Ito, United People's Initiative. So, ibig sabihin nito, mga kaibigan, ay ang lahat ng mga samahan sa ibabaw ng ating bansa, sa ibabaw ng mundo ng Pilipinas, particularly in the Philippines, ay nagsanib puwersa upang hadlangan ang mga balak ng Commission on Election para sa kanilang mga tiwaling gawain. Kaya nga natawag siyang COMELEC kasi COMELEC. COMELEC, hindi Commission on Election. COMELEC ng pera. Walang ginawa ang COMELEC, Commission on Election, hindi manghingi ng pera sa mga party list. Alam nyo ba ang requirements bago kayo ma-register sa party list? Initially 7 million. Initial Kaya kung wala ka 7 million, hindi ka pwede magpa-register sa COMELEC. Now, kung wala kang another 10 million, hindi ka masasali sa final listing sa tatakbo. Now, kung para sure ka na manalo sa party list, you need 50 million. Para walang sablay, 100 million. Ganon ang COMELEC. Kumulekta ng pera. Ganon ka walang iya ang COMELEC. Sino mang naupo dyan, mga walang iya, mayaman. Tinan mo si Jimenez, tumaba na lang niya sa COMELEC. So, itong mga tao sa COMELEC, isa rin yang walang hiya. Nagiging walang hiya o controversial lang ang COMELEC pag oras ng election period. So, ang mga samahan na nagkaisa at ang Pilipino nagkaisa, ito yung kanilang press release, press release. Okay, basahin natin, Okay, United People's Initiative for Honest and Transparent Election, UPHAT, under Philippine Republic Act 6735. Yun ang ibig sabihin, People's Initiative. Grants the power of the people to propose, enact, and approve or reject laws through initiative and referendum. Through initiative and referendum. So doon dumadaan. Mayroong initiative, may referendum. So that is Republic Act 6735. Press release, May 2. 3 na ngayon, kahapon ito. 2024. 25, what I mean. Okay. The United People's Initiative launched 3-day frail vigil for transparent May 12 election amid rising concern over possible electoral fraud. sparked by alarming reports of irregularities and overseas advanced voting. A broad coalition of civic, religious, military, and sectoral leaders has united to form the United People's Initiative for honest and transparent election, UPHAT. The coalition formation comes in response to widespread frustration over the Commission on Election, Comulicta, continued refusal to implement long overdue safeguards despite mounting public outcry and formal appeals from lawmakers and advocacy groups. Lead conveners include General Romeo Puques, retired Philippine Air Force, of God's People's Initiative, and General Eliseo Rio of Truth and Transparency, TRAYO. Other conveners are Bishop Nilutaya, GPI, God People's Initiative, Mr. Gas Lagman, TNT Rio, Mr. Ferdinand Lagondino, NPICC, Captain Ray Velasco Jr., God People's Initiative, GPI, Mr. Edwin Fernandez, ANIM, kasama mga general dito sa ANIM, Mr. the running press, Father Robert Reyes, Attorney Glenn Chung, Miss Gima Soto, OFW, General Mong Ulamit, MNLF, yours truly, Colonel Segundo Mitran, Filipino Guerrilla Forces, and Captain Volter Ingracia, AMOPRA, Alliance for Military Men in Uniform Personnel Association, a retired association. In a peaceful, firm demonstration of civic resolve, UPHAT will stage a three-day prayer vigil in public assembly from 7 to 9, 2025 at Plaza Ruma in front of the COMELEC Office of Intramuros, Manila. Ibig sabihin nito, 3 araw ito. So yung malapitan, pwedeng overnight. Okay? Maluwang ang Port Santiago. Katabi lang Port Santiago, maluwang. Okay. This action seek to compel COMELEC to fulfill its constitutional and legal obligation by complying with the Republic Act 9369, which mandate that the automated election system AES be independently certified by a reputable international body as secured, transparent, and free, and enforcing full voter verified paper audit trail transparency by allowing accredited poll watchers and watchdog to photograph BBPTS from its present after the official transmission election returns, enabling independent audits and public accountability. So therefore, meaning para ma-counter on the ground to national. So kailangan mapicturan para makaiwas tayo sa dayaan. Okay. This is a people call from reform not to confrontation. The Filipino people under the People's Initiative guaranteed by Constitution demand credible, transparent, and a free pre-election. So signed by the respective united organization, allowing to read the affiliate groups. Okay. GPI, the God's People's Initiative, National People's Initiative Council, in PINC, Alpha May Omega World Development, Marshall Program, Allied Military Uniform Personnel in Retirees, AMUPRA, International Media Association for Peace, IMAP, Universal Peace Federation, UPI, United Tribal Groups, Citizen Crime Watch, Trio, Alyansa ng Nagkakaisang Mamamayan, kasama mga general dito, 6, Clergy Citizenry for Governance, CGG, Filipino Guerrilla Forces, FGF, MNLF, Bangsamoro and Muslim Mindanao Peace Advocates, Nationality Concerned Christian Leaders of the Philippines, United Filipino Global Overseas Filipino Workers, and the Labor Transport Group. So, the Labor Transport Group, nandito kasama lahat, ano? So, nagkakaisa itong grupo para masawata ang mga balaking hindi maganda ng kumulikta. Hindi pala kumilikta. Ngayon po lang narinig ito eh. Mga kababayan, yung kumilik pala, ang ibig sabihin pala, kaya nasabing kumulikta. Magaling sa kulikta ito eh. Sorry, kumilik Attorney Garcia. Isa ka ring hangal na attorney. Na marami ng reklamo si Attorney Respicio, pero tinatawanan mo lang. Anong kang kagago? Ang hirap dito sa bansang Pilipinas, mahirap. Bakit kamo? Kung sino ang gumagawa ng matino, yung pang masama. Kung sino yung mandurugat, magnanakaw, ang daming kakampi. Iyan ang Pilipino. Oy, may nakita tayo dito, extra lang to. Apari, Cagayan, Balikatan, 2025. Philippine United States. Pakitingnan nyo lang, Ganda, no? Patalas-touch to, patalas-touch. Ang dami. Okay. So, nabasa nyo. Mayroon pa ditong panawagan sila, no? May panawagan pa yung ating panawagan. Sandali lang, mga kaibigan. Para at least marinig ninyo. Ito pa, mayroon silang panawagan, ano? So, may panawagan pa ang UPI, United People's Initiative. Ibig sabihin nagkaisa. Ito yun, babasahin natin. Okay, nakasulat dito, panawagan ng kwanto, UPI. kung ubos na ang pasensya ninyo sa pagdidma-didma ni George, Attorney Garcia yata ito, si George Garcia, na sa mga hinanaing natin against the 2022 election and the non-transparency of the 2025 Miro system. Sumama at magsagawa ng maraming Pilipinong botante na nanggigigil kay George. Let us demand the COMELEC hears our observation and implement suggested measure for a transparent election. Prayer rally Bantay election, May 7, Wednesday, venue, Plaza Roma, Intramuros, Manila, front of Manila Cathedral. 9, start of 9 a.m. So makita-kita tayo doon, mga kabagang, mga Pilipino na ayaw ng dayaan, ayaw ng mga kagaguhan. Makita-kita tayo Miyerkules ng alas 9 doon sa harap ng COMELEC at ng Manila Cathedral. Maraming salamat. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. I love you all. I love you all.